Ditch the boring banking. Let's see if Varo or SoFi is truly worth your hard-earned cash. First, let's talk about checking accounts. Varo offers a basic checking account with no monthly fees and early paycheck access. With Varo, you can get your paycheck up to 2 days early, depending on your payroll provider. SoFi's checking account also boasts no monthly fees but stands out with a competitive APY, currently around 4.60%, so your money actually earns something. Now for savings, Varo offers a standard savings account, but if you meet certain requirements, you can unlock their higher APY. To get the higher APY on Varo, you need to receive direct deposits of at least $1,000 each month and keep your balances in good standing. SoFi's savings accounts offer high APY rates regardless of direct deposit requirements, which is a big plus. Feature-wise, Varo shines with its Varo Advance, offering small cash advances. SoFi goes big with access to investment options, loans, and credit cards, creating a full financial hub. If you're looking for a simple banking app with early pay, Varo's great. But for high APY and a comprehensive financial platform, SoFi takes the win. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Click the links in the description to explore both Varo and SoFi and see which one fits your needs best.